upon coming out of law school and wanting to be a family law attorney, perhaps you clerked for a couple of years, saw a bunch of great courtroom work, even though it was all from the sidelines, or perhaps in getting right out of law school, you got a job with a family law firm that would take you, show you the ropes, give you the lay of the land, but now you're ready for the next thing that really is going to allow you to launch your career and really start making something of yourself. For the attorneys that have been successful with Atticus Family Law, when they come to us and they're interested in associate attorney positions, they've got one of the things that they all have in common are those internal drivers, that they're ready to be done with the sort of anxiety or uncertainty of what's going to come over their career, that they're ready to, they want something, a peace of mind, a confidence of where how this is going to serve them in the long run. They're ready to be done with what I call the dumb stress. That's frankly, there is a way to run one's practice, one's clients, to interact with your coworkers and your boss and deal with opposing counsel and judges and everything else, where there's stress, but it's all good stress because you've got, you know what's what, you've got good clients, you've got that when you're going to have to turn around and try to get a motion hearing and win your argument and have the judge side with you, or be successful at ADR or anything else, that this is, you're passionate and there's everything's proper. That's good stress, right? That's, I mean, you want the client to have an easier time, but this is what we're paid for. What you don't want is the bad stress, the dumb stress, which is where you've got friction in the workplace amongst coworkers, or your boss doesn't really know what they're doing, both being an attorney and managing a law practice, a bunch of, or there's no screening of clients and you're just getting anybody, let alone other ethos in the law firm that makes for toxicity and a total lack of satisfaction. And ultimately, they come and there's some that have been really fatigued. They've been tolerating this much too long. They're ready for a professional home that doesn't have that, where there's that sort of confidence and support and encouragement. And that also gives you some room and some space to be able to turn around and refresh, recharge, and not actually come back to work after a long weekend or a vacation or something and feel energized, versus the loathing that sometimes comes with bad workplaces. And so with that, then, that's part of what I've done in regards to, as a family law attorney with 21 years experience, having created Atticus Family Law, that's now 10 plus years old. We designed this to turn around and make sure that people are successful. I'm very much an attorney that happens to have a business mind. I studied at St. Mary's for a master's in management. Like, I'm very much looking to build a great operating law firm, as opposed to just sort of being a lawyer that started a practice. And with that, then I want alignment between myself and my staff, so that we're all happy, that I can't be successful unless they're satisfied. And that's where having a specifically designed associate attorney sort of position helps me, and it helps them, because we've got some smart design. Anyway, if all of this interests you, piques your interest relative to wanting to be free of that stress, that anxiety, that fatigue, click the link below, check out our website, start feeling good about pursuing what your career needs and the investment you've made, and avoiding that fate of despair that could keep you up at night.